Hi guys, we just got here to Pan Lao Wing Shop. We just got our XR650L motor. It's getting serviced right now. There's the other one. Mine is inside. Oh, mine's right there. Mine's right here. Right here, ready to go. These are the guys working good here. Oh, back. That's what Mama got me. I had to lose a Jeep over this, but we got a nice vehicle to ride around here now. And Mama's real happy. She wanted me to get that one, but it's too small. That's just the right size. And Jolina's going to ride with me on the way home. And this again is Pang Lao. Ooh, chicken grill. Little bikes, we'll go and see how Mama's doing. How's that? Here we go. I still say, how much is this big boy? This little dog. How much is this little Range Rider? 147. And this is the ones Mom's gonna get. She's gonna get this little guy right here. My finger's always getting wet. She likes that. But that we're gonna get her in December. We got free helmet. There's Mama being happy.
I don't want to pay.
You don't want to let go? Look at all that quarta. Let's go see what Mama's doing. Mama. Did you give the money up yet?
Yeah.
Were you happy giving the money up?
Of course. Just to make you
sure?
happy, Lovey.
Oh, make you happy too.
No,
Stop it.
I'm not the driver.
Yeah, but you're the rider. Now we're going to go waterfalls?
Yeah.
Hey guys, we're going to see waterfalls coming up here pretty soon.
Just go ahead.
Yeah,
And then show it my
I showed your bike already.
When you gonna buy it?
Oh, you're going to get that bike in December. Or maybe we'll buy it here. Because then we'll get another discount. Right? How much is this, honey? Is this just $1,000?
Yes. No. 1,500.
1,500. 15. Well, we'll have to see what goes on. Oh, here. How about 4,500, baby? 55. Right here. 55, 110.
On the way.
Dowies. I still say that.
Like my motorbike before. Then I will say to Toto. Toto what of them?
Oh, Big Dong?
The big dog.
Big Dong, you gonna buy one of those?
Yeah.
Or you gonna buy that one?
No, I don't like that one. Oy.
You don't like that one?
Yeah. My motorbike before is way on the way.
The Wave? I still think ADVT, that's an adventure bike.
The big dog is bad.
The Big Dong bike?
Yeah.
Okay. Because then you get one like Mama's?
But at the heel and face.
That'd be good. I think Mama should get that one. Okay, guys, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Please, bye. Have a blessed day.